Hey there, fellow adventurers! Welcome back to our channel today. We're diving deep into the topic of traveling to new cities. Have you ever wondered what it takes to explore uncharted urban territories? Well, you're in for a treat. In this episode, we're going to share some invaluable tips for making the most out of your travels as we embark on an exploration of the diverse and vibrant areas that make up every city. So, grab your maps, pack your curiosity, and let's get started. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you won't miss any of our exciting travel explorations. Before you even set foot in a new city, it's crucial to do your research. Spend some time getting to know the layout, the local culture, and the neighborhoods. One of the first things we recommend is checking out the city's official website and tourism resources. They often have interactive maps that can give you a great overview of the different areas. Every city has a downtown area that's typically bustling with activity. This is where you'll find iconic landmarks, museums, and trendy shops. Don't miss the chance to walk around and soak in the atmosphere. In addition to downtown, many cities have historic districts that offer a glimpse into the past. The architecture and cobblestone streets can transport you to another era. But remember, a city is more than just its touristy spots. To truly understand a city's vibe, you've got to venture into its residential neighborhoods. This is where the locals live and hang out. Explore the cozy cafes, visit local markets, and strike up conversations with residents. You might stumble upon hidden gems that you won't find in any travel guide. Now let's talk about something that's often overlooked. While the famous attractions are undoubtedly worth visiting, don't be afraid to stray from the well-trodden path. Seek out lesser-known areas and see what treasures they hold. You might discover quirky art installations, charming community gardens, or hole-in-the-wall eateries that serve up authentic local cuisine. And now, let's wrap it all up. So, have you ever wondered what it takes to travel to new cities? It's all about embracing the unknown, doing your research, and diving into the heart of each area. From the bustling downtown to the quiet residential corners, each part of a city adds a layer to its unique story. That's a wrap for today's episode. If you enjoyed our exploration and found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. And as always, stay curious, keep exploring, and we'll see you in the next video.